Alright guys, I'm here with another video. So as you guys can see here, I'm going to be doing voiceovers for the beginning of the videos just because I do work while I'm trading the market open. I can't get on the market and start talking until after 11 in the morning. So later on in this video guys, I do start talking in the videos, but for right now I'm going to be doing voiceovers, and I'm going to basically explain to you what you're watching here on the market. And this is me trading the 15-minute open ranges. Is the trade that I look for every single day, guys. If you focus on just trading this as a beginner, guys, you will have a lot more success in trading in the future, and then trying to bounce from strategy to strategy and trying a bunch of indicators and all that, guys. Keep it simple. Try and master the 15-minute open range strategy before you start anything else. It's one of the simplest and profitable strategies out there. And but yeah, it obviously doesn't give you a lot of opportunity to take trades because it's obviously just one setup and you have one opportunity to execute. Some days it gives you more than one opportunity. Sometimes it even gives you up to 5 opportunities. But like I said, guys, focus on just this simple strategy as a beginner, and you will have a lot more success in your trading career. But yeah, guys, as you guys can see, that trade was a winner. And here is just another trade that I went short on, but I'm pretty sure I got out early here. And later in the video, I'm explaining how I completely tanked, and that's something you have to realize in trading, guys. It's honestly a big psychological game. It's more mental than anything else. You're gonna be seeing a lot from these videos where I enter trades, and honestly, I could be making a lot of money if I just hold on to the trades or actually execute on my trades. Because you're gonna see even on later on this video, guys, I literally talk about me wanting to execute on a trade and I don't do it. I don't execute because I get too scared, and then ends up going my way, and I end up obviously losing out on the opportunity. But yeah, guys, if you guys continue watching these videos, you guys are gonna learn a lot. I've been trading for 7 years. I tried everything, and for the past 2 years, I've been profitable. I've been living off my profits, and now I want to document everything and share everything with you guys. So MNQ, I took a loss, but as you guys can see, guys, if I kept the trade open and just left my stop loss where it was, I would have made money. As you guys can see, I literally got in a sell here. I had my stops all the way up here, and I got out right here early. I literally got out because I was like, all right, this thing is going to pump higher. And the plan was just to keep the trade open and then just going for a run. I'm all sweaty because I just went for a run because, yeah, I closed out the trade early, went for a run, and I said, all right, I'm going to come back by 1 o'clock because that is when FOMC minutes is going to be going on. As you guys can see right here, guys, on the news at 13 FOMC meeting minutes. So in about 5 minutes, the market is going to get super volatile. So I was like, all right, I'm just going to close the trade out, go for a run. And while I get back, guys, I see this thing literally would have hit my TP. As you can see, it didn't break the daily high. It literally tapped it. So I would have still been in the trade. I would have made money. But yeah, guys, I'm going to start recording all my trades. And after 11 is when I can hop on and actually talk and be on video when I'm live streaming. So yeah, guys, this is the TopStep account, guys. You guys can see these are the 2 free accounts I got from TopStep. So I got them for free in January, but I started trading them in February. As you guys can see, we're up $1,000 so far. And yeah, I'm not going to be trading this account anymore. I'm only going to focus on these Lucid accounts. You guys can see these Lucid accounts. I'm up 573 on 2 of them. And I just recently purchased this one, which we're down like $32 because we just took this loss. So yeah, this is the first loss that we took on this account. And this is the first loss of the day. So I'm going to try to take another trade, guys. We're going to see if I can find another setup. I'm not really sure what I'm going to be looking for. I think we're going to look for following the trend. As you guys can see here, guys, the 15-minute open range it's the one trade I look for every single day. If you guys stick to trading just a 15-minute open range, guys, you guys will be profitable. I promise you guys. But a lot of people can't do it because a lot of traders are gamblers and they can't stick to just sticking to one strategy and trading it correctly. Everybody usually over leverages and yeah, it doesn't trade it correctly. But if you stick to trading just a 15-minute orb, guys, if you go to like literally every single day for the past 2-3 weeks and you look at the results, you could tell that you will be profitable. I'm gonna basically wait for this thing to come. So one of my main strategies, guys, this is like literally perfect setup for my other strategy. So I mainly trade 2 strategies: the 15-minute open range and then VWAP EMA strategy, which is kind of setting up nicely. So this is a perfect example of my strategy. So I basically I trade with the trend, guys. I look where the market has been trending, and obviously it's been going up, and then you look for support where the market has been bouncing off, and I use EMAs and VWAP for that. And I like trading using the 5-minute EMAs. As you guys can see here, guys, we've been seeing a nice support here on the 5-minute EMA here on the 200. If you click on it, it'll let you know which it is. So yeah, this is the 200 EMA, and on the 5-minute it's been trading nicely. So hopefully here at FOMC, if the market dumps, guys, and we start seeing some bullish momentum off the 15-minute orb again, I'm going to be looking for long. So even on the 1 minute as well, guys, you guys can see that the VWAP on the 1 minute has been holding pretty nicely. So it's probably going to line up pretty well. So my target is going to be the 15-minute range, guys. I'm going to be looking for the market to drop to the 15-minute range, and then I'm going to be going long here. But on the Lucid accounts, I just like how the TradeAway charts look. That's why I use it a lot more. And honestly, that's why I have TopStep accounts too. I usually don't like TopStep, but I usually have the accounts just because I like the charting and also the news tab. Pretty much, yeah, guys, in 2 minutes the market might move a lot, so we're gonna prepare for that and see what happens here. The market could just completely go higher from here and not even retrace all the way down to the 15-minute VWAP. I mean, even on the 15-minute, guys, this looks very nice on bouncing off the 200 EMA here. We're gonna wait and see. I might even go short. I kind of don't want to, since the market is bullish. I think going short will be pretty dumb. So we're gonna wait here for news to pop here in a few seconds. Alright, guys, looks like the market is getting a little volatile here. It looks like it wants to sell off. Kind of want to go short. I'm not really sure. Alright, guys, I'm going short here. I think the market is a little bearish. You guys can see we're rejecting against these EMAs on the 1 minute. So going short here. Obviously, man, I would have easily made money if I kept my trade earlier. As you guys can see, I went short here. 70 points, guys. I would have made like 280 instead of losing 200. But you know, it is what it is. And yeah, I closed my trade too early, guys. You guys can see I sold here and I had my stop loss above the highs. And yeah, so we're gonna try to go short here. Hopefully it doesn't pop up. I think it might. So honestly, guys, I might just get out. I don't really want to like trade this, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna get out here pretty soon, guys. I do want to see a big flush first and then a pullback to do make sure it does want to go down. We got news, FOMC minutes here. So honestly, anything, a big move can happen, guys. So, and the move has been going to the upside. So this could just be a continuation, guys. The market, usually the trend is your friend. You kind of want to trade with the trend, so not against it. So I'm gonna try to get out of these trades early. Just get out here. We're gonna try again. We're gonna see what happens. Look at that, guys. I just got out the shower, and if I just held into the trade once again, I would have made all my money back plus some more on profit. So yeah, guys, if you guys are gonna watch, I'm gonna be posting a lot more. I'm gonna be screen recording all my trades, guys, and you guys are gonna see that trading is literally a psychological game over anything else, guys, because as you guys can see, even here, guys, the way I made 300 today was I went long here at the 15-minute open, and I would have made over 1,000 if I just held on to the trade. But obviously, my psychological mind wasn't letting me hold on to the trade long enough. And same with these trades, guys. Obviously, here I went short. I cut the trade early, and I would end up making a lot of money on this account. And then also again went short here and then hold down to the trade. So yeah, guys. Not a good day for me, guys. We missed a lot of opportunities today. So, I mean, this thing is heading back down to the 15-minute range, which I said was my target if I'm going to be trading here with the trend. So, we'll see. If we see some rejection here off the bottom or here in the 15-minute range, guys, I might go long. But the market's only open for like another hour. So, we'll see if we get an opportunity here, guys. We'll see. What we don't know. So, yeah, all I can really do is just sit and wait. I've been trying to show you guys my journal here, but for some reason Lucid Trading is not working at the moment. So every time I try to launch my journal, it just says loading for the longest, doesn't even load. So yeah, but so far, guys, on this account, you guys can see we're up 1,000 in profit. And yeah, guys, so this is literally what trading's about. Literally, it's all a psychological game at the end of the day, I'm telling you guys. Because finding these setups, it's easy, and understanding if it's going to go up or down or having proper risk management, guys, it's easy to be profitable. But, you know, the psychological aspect of it is the hardest part. All right, check this out, guys. I was able to snipe this bottom right here. So hopefully this thing shoots up and I can at least make my money back that I lost for this account. Because so far on this top step, we're doing pretty good. And I want to show you guys a journal for these accounts, but Lucid Trading is going through maintenance right now, so I can't. Their journal isn't loading. But looks like this is holding up a little, so I'm gonna move my stop loss just a little so we can at least secure some profits. But yeah, guys, we're down 150. Come on, let's hold. Please hold. Please, come on. Just shoot up. Just shoot up. Come on. Just shoot up. Come on. Guys, if this shoots up above this pretty strongly, I'm going to move my stop right below this wick. Because then that would probably be holding, but it looks like it's not going to hold, so probably going to get stopped out, but at least I can secure some profits. Come on, push up, push up, push up, push up. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Hold, hold, hold. Move down a little, guys. I don't want to get stopped out and it shoots up. This is a good support right here, guys. So if it's going to drop, it's going to literally touch the top of these wicks. So, come on. We need to push from here. We need to push from here. If we push from here and break above this, this is going to go higher. But if it doesn't, it's going to go lower. It's going to probably retest, even go lower. But by the way, guys, the reason why I took this trade is because we broke above the EMAs here that been holding pretty much this whole downward movement. We've had a few fake outs here, here, and here. But this one, we broke up above pretty strongly, this candle. So I was like, all right, I'm going to get in. I got in right here. Nice little pullback, got in. So hopefully, so guys, it's holding a little, guys. So I'm going to actually move this a little just below this because it looks like it's going to hold here. So hopefully this goes higher here. Move it just a little right below this wick right here, guys. This is a good support, as you guys can see here at the bottom. So now we're pushing. If we break above here, guys, it's going to continue going higher. Then I'm going to move my stop loss around these wicks right here, just below the top of this wick, because if the market pulls back, this is probably going to be a support, because it's obviously a good level of support. We see a good zone here, good zone here, good zone here. So look, we're pushing. If we close above this level up here, guys, which is a good level of support, resistance, whatever you want to call it. So we're pushing here. We're gonna move this just a little more right below this body right here, this wick. Alright guys, there's that push. So we can basically close our positions and break even here for the day, but I'm just gonna trail super tight, 2 different trails here just in case, but hopefully this thing's continue pushing here. If I wasn't in a loss, guys, I'll be having both my stop losses down below this way, because this is definitely holding here. This is kind of above these EMAs, so it's most likely gonna get hit. Because watch, guys, because it's probably gonna hit my stop loss, and then the 9 and the 21 EMA are gonna hold up here. But it looks like the market's gonna hold up here, so hopefully pushes from here. If we can push above this, guys, we're basically above here. And then our next target will be this level, right above this wick, guys. So I'm going to slowly climb our way back up here. Hopefully this thing explodes. We have about 20 minutes till the market's open. The future market technically closes at 4, but the stock market closes at 3:15 here in Chicago. So by after 3:15, the futures market basically doesn't really move after that. So I guys, I'm gonna move my stop loss. This one right about here. Alright guys, the market's pushing, so we're gonna move our stop loss here. Good level of support, like I said. Trading above these levels now, so this is a clear level of resistance and support here, guys. We're flying past it. Look at that, guys. We literally went from a losing day to a winning day. Literally the last few minutes of the market. Anything can happen. Trading, guys, is literally one of the funnest things to do, and it's not also fun, it can also make you money. So I'm gonna keep making these videos. Like I said, guys, these 2 StopStack accounts are no activation fee. The 2 free that I got from TopStep, and then I'm working on these 3 Lucid accounts. One of them is almost at 900 here in profit, but we're gonna just keep watching this, guys. I should be taking profit, but since it's pretty bullish, and I mean, we recovered from a losing day, I'm happy with just holding on to this and seeing where it goes. But we could get pretty tight here with the stop loss. I'll move this one up here right below the 9 EMA here. That's pretty much holding, as you guys can see. So I mean, we'll move this one just a little higher. Okay, I'm gonna start taking profit here, guys. $62 for the day, better than taking $200 loss at the beginning. So far, guys, $820 in profit for two of these Lucid accounts, and this one's a new one, 220. This is my second day trading this account. So as you guys can see, guys, the market, look, it's about to push. Probably gonna continue, just keep going higher. Look at that, push. Got out way too early, but I mean, it is what it is, guys. The market closes at 3. I'm getting ready to leave here. But yeah, bullish move. I should have just kept it open, but it is what it is. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. I'm going to be recording more on my trades tomorrow. It is currently Wednesday, February 18th, 8:50 in the afternoon. Peace out, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.